home drunk, smelling of alcohol, even broke a bottle. Yeah, my mother.
I can see all problems, no real troubles. But then, my dear friend, you know what? Once we go inside the church and we sit over there and just bow down before the Lord, you will see, you will experience that hope and that joy.
People always tell me that I can pray about it, but how can I pray when I feel so far away from God? Even when I sit in the church, I feel like I'm so distracted. I always sit at the back because I don't feel close to God at all. It's so difficult for me to pray about this when I feel like God is not even there listening to my prayers.
I can see my different. Maybe also I experience like that sometimes. But you know what? There's nothing to be hopeless. We should always have that hope. Let me tell you one story. This is a story of the Holy Family, Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. There's Mother Mary, and there's Joseph. Jesus is the living God. He came down to this earth to give us life, to show us the way how to live. Of course, as the story goes on, I will tell you, my dear friend, there are so many weaknesses in this world, but you know what?
supaya ingat meditation.
Yang itu Pak Iwan.
As we saw just now that the Lord can do many wonders for us. He can have many things in our life, suffering in our family, in the church, in the world around. Let's just offer ourselves to God at this very moment. And as we meditate upon the nativity, till the passion of the Lord, till the time that He suffered for each and every one of us, just offer everything to God as we sing. We will all raise up our hands and just offer this to this beautiful Lord. As we sing, I surrender all, Lord, let's just offer all that we will be going through in life after going back from this retreat. There will be many things, but yet let's offer that into the loving hands of